If you've ever looked at a property deal and thought, this looks good, but I don't really know it's actually a good deal, you're exactly who this video is for. Because in property, the site is the deal and the numbers come second. Most investors lose money before they even buy, simply because they choose the wrong location, the wrong planning angle, or the wrong strategy. And that's where we come in. You can learn about property on YouTube, you can attend courses, you can even analyze spreadsheets, but here's what people don't tell you. The best sites never hit right move. Estate agents don't understand development potential. Planning angles are invisible to beginners. You just aren't looking at the site in the right way. One wrong purchase can set you back years because you can lose tens of thousands of pounds. And the biggest pain of all is that you don't know what you don't know. So you either sit on the sidelines, overpay for average deals, or you buy something that looked good but never really stacked up. So finding sites is our business. We're looking at and evaluating sites every day, and we can help you to solve the problem of finding the right sites. We are identifying commercial to residential conversions. We're identifying high yield rental and serviced accommodation locations. We're identifying suitable HMO locations. We're identifying value added planning uplift angles. We're identifying all the areas where investors can achieve the maximum profit and not just hope for appreciation. So we offer a service in two ways. We can offer either a done with you service at 1997, and with this we actually hold your hand and guide you as regards how to find a site that suits you at any location in the UK for a price up to £300,000 value of the property. And we guide you with regard to what software to use and what prompts to use for actually getting the best deals that are on the market, those that are there from motivated sellers. So these are the key people that we want to identify, because you can get the best deals from people who are motivated to sell. Most people, they sell a house and they will wait months, some of them even wait years, to achieve the price they want. What we want to do is shortcut that process for you, and we help you to find the motivated sellers who want to sell quickly, and we help you to achieve the right price for those sites. We also offer a done for you service at 4997, where we locate any property that you require up to a value of £300,000 anywhere in the country. Obviously, there's some limitations where you've got high value areas like London, where you can't actually get much for £300,000. But if you want a property in any area of the country, we can help you find it. If it's not within our done with you price range up to £300,000, or the done for you price range up to £300,000, then we will actually offer you a bespoke figure for finding a site. In addition to the done for you service, we offer a site packaging service. So what this means is that we will identify the right property in the right location for the strategy that you want, and then we will organize all of the experts to actually help you to achieve the development that you want out of that property. So we basically package it up as a done for you service, and we can actually help you to deliver the properties that you wish to identify in order to grow your investment, grow your investment fund. So if you have repeat projects, we can actually plan with you a portfolio building service where we can actually help you to achieve, for example, 6 houses of multiple occupation within an area of Surrey, or within an area of Kent, or Hampshire, or Dorset, or Cornwall, whatever area of the country you're in, we can help you to achieve your portfolio ambitions. If you want to speak to me about any of the things you've heard in this video, don't hesitate to call Alan on 07539 141 257, or you can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com.